Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the name of your iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It's easy to change the name of your iPad. To do it, open up the Settings app. In Settings, select General. In General Settings, tap About. The first thing in the About settings is the name of the iPad. Tap the name to edit it. Tap the back button once you're finished. Your iPad's name has now been changed, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.